Okay, so this is a video of how to get and install OBS Studio, which is what we're seeing now. So the first thing we do is go to the website. So this is it, obsproject.com/download. Choose which operating system we're using. So for me, it was Windows, so I just hit download the installer, and off it goes. You can see my previous download. Doesn't take very long for it to download. I've not got an amazingly fast internet connection, but you can see it's just going to take a matter of seconds. Once it's fully downloaded, we can just go ahead and go through the install process. Okay, so I'm probably going to quit part way through because I've already got it installed, so I don't need it. There we go. Okay, so we can just simply open our file. If you've got rid of this or you're using a different browser, it'll be in your downloads folder. There we go, there's our other install. So I'm just going to install it from here. Okay, so because I'm doing a demonstration video, I've added a new user profile, so you wouldn't normally get this stage. So I'm just going to have to put in my login for it to install, and this is it. Simply follow the instructions, click next. Yes, it's already running, so we know we don't want to. You would just normally follow the instructions and install the program. Simple as that. And the next stage is just telling you how to operate it. When we first start to use OBS Studio, it will ask us a question at the very start, Auto Configuration Wizard. It gives us three choices. We're going to choose choice 2, optimize just for recording, because we're just going to screen record, we're not going to stream. And that's it. Once we choose that, we can go ahead and start using the program by utilizing the record button, which is just here. Currently it's stop recording because I am using it. When I click that, it'll be start recording. Simple as that. Okay, so this is a brief get to use it guide for OBS Studio for screen recording and recording sound, audio on our computer as well. The first thing we have to do within this program is actually add a source for it to view what we're recording. So over here you can see display capture. I've had to add that so we can see what we're recording. Effectively, without that you'll get a blank screen. And if you ever try to start recording, which is down here, it's currently stopped recording, it'll warn you that you're going to record a blank screen. So you simply have to hit the plus symbol and add display capture. As you can see, mine's display capture, but this is going to be display capture 2. If I click OK, I get 2 display captures. Okay, I don't need that, so I'm just going to get rid of that second one with the minus key. Plus to add, so we want to add display capture. Once we have that, we can see the desktop and record. So for our purposes, recording online lecture material. To do that, we want to start recording, which currently is our stop recording button, but I'm not going to press that because obviously the video will end. So just for demonstration purposes, I have a Oxford Union YouTube video just to show you. Simply press play, or if you're live viewing, just live view. And it'll record what I'm saying, which is quite handy, but also record audio and video. So I'm just going to full screen this.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Okay, so enough of that. Once we're done with the recording, we can actually press the stop recording video. Once it stops, it'll send a file to our video folder in Windows. So if you've ever seen this, if we go to videos here, yeah, that's where we're at. So it's under my PC, which you might be familiar with. You can see there's a videos folder. We're going to record here, so that's the recording that we're making currently. So when I stop, I should be able to view that file. I'm going to press that now, but that's it really. You should be able to watch your videos within that. So I'm going to press stop now. So just to test our last video, which is here, and that's the one we're recording, I'm just going to play this back. You can see it playing Windows Media Player. Okay, so this is a brief get to use it guide for OBS. Let's stop me speaking and just fast forward to the relevant section. There we go. have a Oxford Union YouTube video just to show you. Simply press play, or if you're live viewing, just live view. And it'll record what I'm saying, which is quite handy, but also record audio and video. So I'm just going to full screen this. Okay, there you go. Quite an easy tool to use, completely free, open source, so it's always going to be there, and you can use it for capturing whatever you like.